Hi everyone, it's Fluffy Puppa. I am testing out my new PNG tuber today in the little corner. Today we are trying a demo. I saw a couple of my favorite YouTubers play this. I've not watched any of the playthroughs because I thought this looks cute. It's a horror game. It's up my street. So we are going to play a demo that is called Nui Goes to Town. I don't really know too much about this. People are saying it's a little bit like a cutesy Animal Crossing slash horror, like just a little cutesy farm, not farm simulator, but like life simulator. So let's see what it's about. I will put any warnings in the in right up the top right now, just in case anyone is triggered to anything. But let's not waste time. Let's go and start. So far, I think it looks very adorable. Oh my gosh! Okay, shift to run. Press E to interact. This is very, very cute. Got my kitchen. Nui, I really should whip up some of my famous carrot stew sometime. All it takes is 5 carrots and a lot of love. That is very cute. We've got a knife there. It's a horror game. This painting always makes me smile. It is very, very cute. You did a very good job if you painted that. Oh, I see you got the cute trinket shelf as always, you know. Very adorable. I guess I can go outside. Oh gosh. Oh, there's a guy running over there. There's a little cat. Hello. How you doing, buddy? First off, so that's my... Why did I... Okay. Oh, okay. I'm guessing this is my house. Oh, Rumi's house? Who am I? I'm Nui, right? Let's go to Rumi's house. Let's knock. Oh, never mind. Oh, come here. Giggle Station. What a cute name. Let's wait for them to run past, and then, no, come back! I can't, like, get them. Never mind. Oh, hi! Hi, how you doing? Drew, I'm so hangry! Nui, our picnic is ruined! This brown grass has been growing everywhere lately. It's really tough, and only an axe will do. I'm so hungry, though. I have no strength to do the job. Nui, could you take this axe and clear out the brown grass? I mean, I could do. Oh, let me grab it. I don't like how I've got an axe and stuff. Mind you, Animal Crossing, you know, cut down trees. We're gonna have a picnic. It's gonna be very cute. But yeah, this is supposed to be a horror game, so if anyone is creeped out by stuff like that, you're probably best not watching this video. Oh, it's like a, I feel like someone's buried down there. But there's like a thing, like a little, like an Animal Crossing. Hi, Dusky. I really love you, Dusky. You're so cute. I only stop for food. Yes, same. Let the feast commence. I can't eat it though. Okay, let's see. You wait, Goo. I don't think I've seen Goo yet. Goo's not here. There's a tree. There's many of these holes. I have a feeling these townsfolk are eating people. I feel like there's something a little sussy going on. But let's get going. Let's go to Giggle Station. Oh my god, you look exactly like Bunny from Animal Crossing. I'm not gonna lie. Hi, Olivia. My daughter is such a handful. I mean, she going crazy. Hi, Cosette. I can't wait to show Daddy the wreath I made. Aww. Is that a frog? Oh my gosh, I love frog characters. Hi. Chin. I just love to hop, hop, hop. You know, I just can't stop, stop, stop. I guess that's why I'm not allowed on the platform. Yeah, that is... Yeah, I don't think, people would want you near the train tracks if you jump around a lot. You look very suspicious. Gigi. My hat! I can't make the trip to Tickle Town without it! Nui, could you help me find my precious hat? I can. Let me talk to these people though first. Are you a piggy? I think you are. Karen! I wish the train would get here already. Okay. Well, I wish my bus would get on time to get me to work, but it never does. Hi! Goo. Oh, you're the person that I went to knock on your house. Hi, Nui. I'm so excited about our trip to Tickletown. So excited, I forgot to eat breakfast and now I'm starving. Do you think you could make me some of your famous carrot stew? I could try, but I need to find carrots first, and a hat. Rumi. Oh, Rumi's so cute as well. We've got a shovel. We can dig up those holes in the town. Hi, Nya, Nui. I was just admiring these pretty flowers. Oh, I almost forgot. Here's your shovel bag. I hear you can find all kinds of things if you look for marks on the ground. All I could find was dirt, though. Yeah. Yeah. If Animal Crossing has taught me anything, I know I want to dig. Why do you kind of look like a weird version of Crash Bandicoot? I'm sorry, sir. Kato, Giggle Train. I could have sworn it was called the Smile Train. Okay, let's go and try and find this lady's hat. Maybe it's buried in the ground. It could be. Let's go back. Let's dig up some things. There was one near the picnic, I think. Yeah, the picnic area. Carrot! Are we not gonna... Okay. I thought we would, dig it back up, you know. Oh, it's the lady's hat, I think. Is there any more, I think there's one there, right? Looks suspicious. Is that one there? Yeah. Another carrot. I need like 5 carrots, I think. Is there any... Oh, I can't go through the... Never mind. I didn't go that way. Maybe there's something behind my house? Or a goose house, I think they're called? No, rubies. Let's see what's down this way. Oh, it's just my house. Okay. Right. Let's go back. Let's go give them the hat. Ah, yeah. Oh, you look so cute with your hat, Gigi. Just so you know, I'm actually not the conductor. I'm just a big fan of hats. Okay. What do I do then? Because there's no other carrots. Unless I can already make the stew. I thought I had to get 5 carrots. Oh, there's some more grass over here. I didn't see. Oh. Let's chop these down. How do I... There we go. There's the third carrot. There's one here. I need one more carrot though. Where's the last one? Is there a carrot laying around someone's house? Oh, who are you? Hello. No time for tea, Mr. Scrungy. I have a train to catch. What a strange fella. What a lad. There's gotta be one more hiding around the town somewhere. Oh, there's one more here. I missed this one. Okay. That is not a carrot, even though you say it is a carrot. That was a heart. And that was a little bit sussy. It's a strange looking carrot. Well, let's get to cooking, I guess. Can I, like, go on here? Oh. These are my bestest friends, Rumi and Goo. Today we are going to take the Giggle Train to get Tickletown. I'm so excited. Oh, I didn't look at that before. Well, let's chop some... Let's make some stew. Oh, it's so cute. What do I do with it? Oh, do I have it already? I guess. Cute. Let's go give her the stew. You wanted... Thanks, Nui. This really hits the spot. I'm energized and ready for Tickletown. Ah, Jesus, that scared me. Oh my god, the train's so cute! That is so cute. What the hell? Okay. You found it! Good afternoon. This is your conductor speaking. Thank you for boarding the Giggle Train. We'll be making our stop at Tickletown in about 10 minutes. As we make our approach, don't forget the most important part of the trip. Oh, I've heard about this. It's really fun and silly, Nui. There is only one rule. Besides having fun, of course, soon we'll be passing through the tunnel just before Tickletown. When we enter the tunnel, what does everybody need to do? Laugh! Everybody has to laugh all the way through the tunnel. That's correct. Oh, that does sound really fun. Absolutely perfect. I can't do the purr noise, I'm sorry. Okay, everybody, put on your biggest smiles. We are about to enter the tunnel in 3, 2, 1. Okay. Wahahahahaha. Ouch. Nui, are you okay? My arm hurts. I feel like I was stung by a bee or something. It's so dark, I can't see anything. What's going on? Wait. Are we supposed to keep laughing? Uh-oh. Did the train stop? Oh no. Oh, we're in trouble. It's so quiet, hello? The train was pretty full when we got on. I don't like this, Nya. Stay calm. It's going to be okay. We're almost to Tickletown. Rumi? Are you there? Oh, that is, okay. That is freaky as hell. What the... Well, this is a little disturbing. Why is there a... Oh, it's getting... Oh, lovely. Oh. Hello. Do I talk to anyone? I guess not. Uh-oh. No, let me pass! Oh no, I'm gonna be eaten. Oh, this is... Okay. Those poor folks. Oh, is it this way? Yeah, we're not in... What the hell was that? Bro. Oh, that guy is crawling. Hi, Mr. I. Oh no, the hat! Where do I go? We go down here. Do I... Oh no, no! Oh Jesus. Oh Jesus. Oh Christ. Okay. Hello, Earth to Nui. Are you awake? I think Nui nodded off, Goo. More food for me. Yum, yum, yum. I think Nui has, just had, like, the worst time of their life right now. Are you okay? You're just sitting there holding a sandwich. Aren't you hungry? I don't think I would be if I saw all that horrific, like, stuff. Okay, yeah, that's, what the... Who was that in the window? I just saw a guy in the window. Who are you? Oh no! They died. That's so sad. I miss them. Dr. Flelp says I should move away. That's not healthy for me to stay here. Alone. Aww. That's sad. The day of the accident. 3 months after a catastrophic tunnel collapse, the Giggle Station now reopens as the Smile Station. This new route extends the Smileton Sunshine Line to Gigglesville as Fungineers have deemed the tunnel too hazardous for reconstruction. The difficult decision was made after... I can't read the rest. I was supposed to be on the train that day. I got so busy with errands that I was late. Now all my friends... Oh, this is really sad. Oh no! They're all gone now. Aww. Oh, poor lady. Dr. Flop sends me these pills. He said it was important that I take them every day. He said they would help, but they just make me sleepy. Oh, sweetie, I'm so sorry. I can't sleep, not now. I should go take a walk. In the dark? Girl, be careful. Oh no, she's so sad. Oh. Rumi's house. No. Smile Station. She had like a... I guess she had, obviously a flashback or something. This poor lady. No. Oh, it's okay, Goo. I'll take care of all this grass. Then we can have a picnic again. I'll make the carrot stew you liked so much. Rumi. You love the flowers here, Rumi, but I can't find any more to put in your planter. This brown grass just takes over everything. I'm trying, Rumi. I'm trying my best. I wish I got to know you better, Gigi. You were so excited to ride the Giggle Train. I like to think we would have been really good friends. No. I don't know what we're doing with this, but, what the fuck? Oh my god, that scared me. Oh, that made me jump. Is this person behind here? No, he's gone. Oh my god. Oh, this poor lady, though. Okay, let's see. Is there anything around here? I don't think so. Maybe we have to go to the train station? Which I think is a bad idea. I think you should listen to the doctor and, like, move out of this town. Because it's not gonna do you any good staying here. The train starts running tomorrow. I should just work on clearing out the grass. Oh. I don't think I had an axe though, right? Or can I just use the... Where is the axe? Whoa, what the hell? That scared me. What do you mean? I know. I'm trying. It was easy at first, but now the tough brown grass started showing up. I'll need Drew's axe to clean up the mess. I think Rumi was the last person to borrow it before the accident. Oh man. Maybe it's out here? Oh. A key to Rumi's house, maybe? Yeah. Oh god. Oh, this is giving Resi vibes with the controls. This isn't good. I have a feeling someone's gonna chase after us. Ooh. It's gonna be Rumi, right? Okay. Am I gonna get jump scared again? I have a feeling I am. Right, we're cleaning out the graves. To help keep it a bit more clean. I think... Is it... I don't have to get rid of that, right? Nah, stop! Stop jump scaring me like that. Oh my goodness. Somebody has to take care of the graves. Wait. Wait, is there any more grass that we need? Where's the other grass? Oh, is it like this? Oh, I see. I gotta take care of the houses as well. Here we go. I think that is the last of it. I should head back home. Something's gonna make me jump again, I can already tell. It's... Oh my gosh. Right. I should take these now and go to sleep. That was someone there. That was very spooky. No. Okay. I feel sleepy. Oh, that is so creepy. What the heck? No! Oh, this poor lady. Poor Nui. Smile. Oh, jeez. There is a creepy plant there. Can I read this again? Oh my gosh. What does it say? They are alone in there, Nui. Alone and rotting in the dark. Where were you, Nui? You should be rotting with them. Oh, I can imagine the turmoil you would feel. Ah. Uh-oh. What are we doing with the knife? That's DS. Am I dreaming again? I mean, you are really... Oh my. You are really suffering. This is really sad, man. Like... I can't imagine, like, how guilty she feels, like, running errands, but at the same time, she wouldn't have known that, like, an accident like that was going to happen. But I can imagine that she just feels extremely guilty about, like, not meeting with them. Oh gosh. Like, these houses are, like, really decrepit now. Everything is just overgrown. It just looks so creepy. And then we gotta clean the... Gotta clean the graveyard? Is there another, like, little bit? No. That's all tidied. Oh. Oh, this is... This is a little... Chopping all the trees. Not the trees, the grass. There is, like, a noise coming from over there. Let's go down here. Ah, what the heck? Wait, what do you mean 3 hearts? Wait, do I have to... What the heck? Oh, whoa! What the hell? I guess I can't fight that thing. Is there one in here somewhere? No. There's one here. I don't think I'm gonna... Whoa! This guy is... Okay. Whoa, my god, he almost got me. Oh, geez, there's another one. Okay. I don't think I can... No, I can't fight you. Thanks for puking at me, you creep. Okay. Ow! Oh god, I thought I could loop them. Ooh. Sick loop. Oh my god, what the hell do you mean they can, like, freaking... Can I go? No. Where's the last one? I bet it's in... Oh, frick. I've, like, fucked myself up. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Okay, I think I'm gonna die here. Ooh. Can I go back home, maybe? I don't think. No. Where is the last one? I don't get it. Hmm. Ow. Oh, God. Right, so... Oh, no, I've got to do all this again. Right, I'll be right back, guys. Okay. Can I hurt you? I don't think I can. Okay. Oh, almost. I don't think I'm gonna make it. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez, Rick. Can I not injure you? Where else do we go? Ow, what do you mean? I don't know where the other one is. It's supposed to be... Ah, there's one here. There's still like 3 of them now. I can't tell. Let's try and loop them into here. No, nope, 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 nope. Yeah, there's one here. Oh, frick, I'm going to die. Oh, no. Ah! No, 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 no. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! Ah! Can I go out yet? No. I bet that... Oh, there's one in the graveyard. Let's try and get him round here again. Okay. This is stressful, man. This is tough. Like... Will you get me through there? Okay. I'm gonna have to try and... Oh, I can go out now. Oh... Oh, Lord. No, 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 da 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 da, da 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 da. Fuck, frick, 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 frick. Okay, I can go for here now. Whew, that was stressful. Well, this is a little, there's a train, smile train. I guess I'm going on. God knows where we're going. I have no idea. Oh, it's, I don't think you. No, you're not GG, right? Ah! Okay. Um, so that is Nui Goes to Town, the demo. That was really good. It was very sad. It was very scary. It was very spooky. I enjoyed playing that. It's very fun. If you want to try the demo, I will put the link in the description to this itch.io game. So yeah, Nui Goes to Town. I really enjoyed that. That was a really, really good game. Very stressful at times, but maybe that's because I'm just not good at being stealthy. But yes, I shall see you in the next one. I'm hoping to do some more horror games. I have been noticing Resident Evil 2 remake, being mentioned, and it's one of my favorite games, so I shall see you in the next one, guys. Bye!